Good morning. It's gonna be a Weylie vlog today because I am leaving my man's behind. I'll miss you. But we're going to this resort. It's just gonna be me and Sophie. We're gonna have some girl time. So I'm really excited for that. I'm about to go pick up Sophie now. I just finished getting ready and it should be a fun 3 days, 2 night girls trip. Been on the road for maybe an hour now. Maybe about an hour. We were just talking this entire time, like updating each other. I know. Because you know, when we don't see each other for a week, it feels like a month. This is the traffic we're dealing with right now.
I don't know why it's busy.
I know it's a Sunday. Yeah. Excuse me. But we'll be there soon and I'm excited to show you our room. We've been on the road for maybe an hour now. Maybe about an hour.
We could share, like try same pieces.
Okay.
But I'm gonna try this one first.
This one is so good.
Let's start good strawberry.
So good.
Okay guys, this is amazing. So, doing a little ASMR for you. So for the Soma Dome, you have 20 different options. I had no idea there were 20 different options. I thought it was just like one standard thing, but this is amazing. So you can choose whichever one you want to do, and that's how your session will be directed. So I think I'm gonna do Aspire, and this is a guided one, which means there will be a voice guiding you through the meditation. So that should be very good. This is the Soma Dome. So at first we thought it was gonna be in water, but looks like we're not gonna be in water.
Oh yeah.
All right, it's gonna be a 20-minute session. I'll see you later. Peace. Dinner just arrived. I'm so hungry now. I have a Caesar salad and a side of salmon. Sophie got soup. It's chicken noodle soup. It looks really good. So little.
Little and cute.
I know, little and cute. All right, I'm ready to dig in. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just woke up, washed my face. I just feel very refreshed right now. And I wanted to show you guys my makeup bag because my makeup bag is trifling, okay? So I took it to New York, and yes, I have not cleaned it since, but check this out. But my powder broke while we were traveling, and it just kind of like shattered everywhere. It's like all over my brushes. Don't you hate when that happens? Ugh, it's so heartbreaking when your powder shatters. So RIP to my powder. So we're getting ready now. We have a breakfast reservation at, let me see, it's 8:30 at 9, so I have 30 minutes to get ready real quick. The beds were really comfortable. Hotel beds are always so great. Another thing I've been really into lately, and I never thought that I'd be into them, are these like Asian lashes. They're so tiny, but they fit my eye shape so perfectly. I never have to trim them. The only complaint I have of these is that I wish they looked more like fluffy. They're very like one-dimensional, but it's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and I will talk to you later.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing.
We're having breakfast now, and oh, it's like so good. Everything that I've been wanting. So I've been craving breakfast since last night. Breakfast food is just like my favorite food of the day. So that's our acai bowl. French toast is bomb too. It's so like, it's so doughy but not greasy. And the eggs perfectly cooked. I mean, everything is just so good. So I may have to eat here again tomorrow. Alright, so we're shooting. Gonna give you guys a little BTS. We're gonna try to get this fall photo. Here we go. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Turn, turn, turn. Okay, so we went through a lot of chaos over there in that spot because there's just like a lot of mud and stuff. So we're gonna try this spot instead. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy
Not the Dyson! Not the Dyson! Oh my god! How come whenever we do something stupid, something happens? Getting unready for our massage.
This is what we've been looking forward to.
Mm-hmm. I've been waiting for this moment. Isn't that beautiful? I am ready. We are gonna get a 50-minute massage.
white hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, you just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it.
Guess what we're doing? So, you know, we're trying to get to the fire pit, but we're literally walking in like pitch darkness. I thought it would be a good idea. Maybe, you know, there was a detour, but no, we definitely fucked ourselves.
We're in a golf course.
I cannot see here. All right, found the main road.
Civilization, people.
You guys! 2 little raccoons! Can you see them? Bye-bye!
You guys make them okay?
I'd pet it.
Really? Yeah, babies.
We have the flavors of the board. Oh. Oh. What could that be? Wow. Look at those lanterns over there.
Doing justice on that camera.
I know, you can't see anything. Look, look at what it is. Do you guys see him? He is back.
Sorry.
He tried to take Sophie's bag just now.
Oh, there's 2. He's trying to take my camera.
Hi.
No. You are not taking
No, no, no.
Do you see this raccoon?
Hey, baby, no, you gotta go.
Listen, you are thirsty. This raccoon legit.
Wait, they are so cute. Oh, he's digging. He's hiding something. Do you guys see him? He's right there. Hello? Can you come back?
Weylie.
If Robin was here, she would die.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if he took it and ran?
Weylie, what would I do?
I mean, you would chase him.
Dip it though. I'd go up in the tree with my bag.
She just woke up. I honestly don't think she'll even remember this because she literally just jumped up and drank some water. So it's our last night. I'm actually pretty sad. I feel like it just flew by so fast. but it was a great trip. It was so nice. I would definitely come back here. So tomorrow, or actually today, is November 6th, which is election day, and I hope everyone else that is registered and legal to vote have voted. Anyways, that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. We made it to our picnic! Oh, we have made it! And there was this really cute dog that was here. I should have vlogged it. Yeah, she was so cute. But yeah, we got a really nice spot. It's just us here. By ourselves. Amongst, amongst the apple orchard.
Yeah.
Yes. We're enjoying a little breakfast lunch. I have a Asian salad. So good, by the way. I just got this at the market. The Libby market that's here at the hotel. And we got some drinks, some sweets, some chips, because when do you not ever have chips? And she has a sandwich.
So good.
And a coffee. So good. Hello. Oh, hi, baby. I came home about 20 minutes ago. Just made some food, ate, and hanging out with my kids now. Oh my god, Navi's crazy. She loves the rabbits. Come here, boy. Good boy.
Often when I'm quiet, you worry I'm hiding from you. And I know I keep a lie to myself, but still you're more a part of me than anybody else. So if you need me to tell you more, you're one of the few things that I'm sure of. You're one of the few things that I know already. I could build my world up. One of the few things that I'm sure